Welcome to this exploration of densities as described in the Law of One. In this fascinating teaching, channeled from an entity known as Ra, densities represent different stages of growth and consciousness in the universe. Each density can be thought of as a grade level for spiritual evolution, with each level building on the lessons of the last. So, what exactly does it mean to exist in different densities? And how does this affect our journey through the cosmos? In this video, we'll go over the 8 densities Ra outlines, each with its own unique traits, challenges, and lessons. By understanding these densities, we can gain insights into our own path and purpose within the grand scheme of existence. Let's get started with the first density, the most basic form of existence. Ra describes the journey of consciousness beginning in the first density, which represents pure existence. Think of this as the elements: earth, water, fire, and air. In this stage, life is raw and instinctual, forming the building blocks of all that follows. It's here that energy first begins to take shape, driven by the basic forces of nature. In second density, we see the first signs of growth and movement. Plants, animals, and other life forms emerge. They're driven by simple desires, seeking sunlight, food, or warmth, and begin to develop a form of consciousness, though still without self-awareness. The lesson here is growth, as second density beings evolve toward more complex forms of life. Next is third density, the one we humans currently experience. This density is where self-awareness and individuality develop. Here, beings like us face challenges of self-identity, choice, and the balancing of love and wisdom. The lesson of third density is understanding self and others, often through relationships, challenges, and choices that test our ability to live in harmony. It's also a density marked by limitations, time, physicality, and a sense of separation, which all serve to intensify personal growth. Finally, fourth density marks a huge shift, the density of love and understanding. Here, entities begin to deeply understand the interconnectedness of all beings. Compassion and unity become central, and limitations from third density start to dissolve. This density emphasizes community, harmony, and collective growth, with souls working together in more profound ways. Fourth density beings focus on collective well-being and are less concerned with individual gains, seeing others as aspects of themselves. As consciousness evolves into the fifth density, known as the density of light and wisdom, the focus shifts toward deep knowledge and understanding. Fifth density beings have mastered love in the previous density and now seek to balance it with wisdom. They learn to apply love with discernment, understanding the impact of their actions and choices on a cosmic level. This density often involves introspection, learning through meditation, and communicating with other beings across the cosmos. Entities here are less focused on physical form and more on mental and spiritual evolution, creating a profound clarity of purpose. Moving into sixth density, known as the density of unity or balance, consciousness begins to harmonize love and wisdom fully. Ra explains that this is the density where beings integrate compassion and wisdom completely, allowing no separation between the two. Sixth density entities are highly advanced and capable of existing in pure energy, understanding both the uniqueness and unity of all things. Ra itself identifies as a sixth density being, describing how, at this stage, there is still learning, but it is now about perfecting unity. In sixth density, entities often serve as guides, helping those in lower densities to progress. In seventh density, also known as the gateway density, consciousness nears completion. This density is the final stage before reuniting fully with the Creator. Here, entities have mastered both service to others and the understanding of the universe's vastness. Seventh density beings prepare to return to the source of all consciousness, shedding the last remnants of individuality as they merge with universal unity. Finally, eighth density represents a full return to the Creator. It is less a stage of learning and more the beginning of a new cycle of existence. Eighth density is often described as a reset, where consciousness merges back into the infinite intelligence of the Creator, only to begin a new cosmic cycle once again. This density is a state of total unity, pure consciousness, and the ultimate mystery. The journey through the densities, as shared by Ra, reveals a profound path of growth, connection, and unity. Each density builds upon the lessons of the last, guiding consciousness back to its source. So, where might you find yourself in this journey? Leave a comment with your thoughts, and if you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more insights into the mysteries of the universe.